ममता भरे दिन कैसे कोई जिए माँ तेरे बिन कहाँ गए। ममता भरे दिन कैसे कोई जिए माँ तेरे बिन। ओ माँ तुझे ढूंढूं मैं कहाँ। ओ माँ के बिना सुना है जहाँ। कौन भला दुनिया में माँ की जगह ले सका। कोई कह दे क्या होती है माँ आखिर। माँ होती है माँ।
Conversation between mother and child. This is a very special message which touched to my heart. Hope you will also love this. पढ़ के समाप्ति कर रहा हूँ. Parents' expectation from their child. Mother, I fought with death when I was giving birth to you. I spent sleepless nights when you were sick and crying. I never ate without feeding you first. I bore so many pains to bring you to the stage that you are in today. How will you repay me, my child? Child, when I grow up, I will find a good job and earn lots of money for you so you can enjoy the pleasures of this world. Mother, your father is already doing this, and I do not expect this from you too. By the time you are earning, I will be old and will not be in need of any worldly luxuries. Child, I will find a pious lady and marry her, so she can cook for you and take care of you. Mother, this is not her duty, my son, and neither should you marry for that reason. It is not compulsory on her to do any service to me, neither do I expect this from her. Your marriage should be for you a companion and a comfort for you as you go through this journey of life. Child, tell me, mother, then how can I repay you? Mother, with tears in her eyes, spend time with me or call me often. बस ये चाहती है एक माँ. Spend time with me or call me often. A mother only requires this much from you while she is alive. Then when I die, give me your shoulder. Whenever you perform prayers, supplicate for me. Give out in charity for me. Remember, your every good deed will benefit me in the hereafter, so be good and kind always. Fulfill the rights of all those around you. The sleepless nights and pains I took to bring you up was not a favor to you, but was for my Creator. He blessed me with you as a beautiful gift and as means for me to attain His pleasure. Your every good deed becomes my repayment. मैं एक बार फिर दोहरा दूं, बस इस लाइन में सब कुछ छिपा है. और ये माता जी को सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि देते मैं प्रे करता हूँ कि अगर एक किसी का जीवन भी बाहर से टूट के अंदर की यात्रा करना शुरू कर गया तो इससे बड़ी और कोई श्रद्धांजलि नहीं हो सकती. बस एक माँ ये चाहती है, योर एवरी गुड डीड बिकम्स माई रीपेमेंट. विल यू रीपे मी माई चाइल्ड? चाइल्ड कैनॉट स्पीक एंड हैड टीयर्स इन हिज आइज. बस सिर्फ माँ के लिए केवल इतना करो और वहां तक उसकी आत्मा को शांति और खुशी मिलती है. सभी का धन्यवाद.